Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming system basics. Open Settings and check the Windows 11 version and build so fixes match your release. Once done, unplug external monitors, docks, and unnecessary USB devices to rule out hardware conflicts. Create a system restore point now so you can revert if something goes wrong. These steps speed up diagnosis and protect your data. Next, you'll run Device Manager, and the display adapter checks to capture the culprit drivers and error signs before making changes. You'll focus on the graphics driver, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and choose Update Driver to search automatically. This fixes many compatibility glitches. If problems started after a recent update, roll back the driver using Properties Driver Rollback. For persistent corruption, boot into safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to remove traces, then reinstall the latest OEM driver from the manufacturer's site. Doing this ensures a clean driver state and eliminates corrupted driver files that cause screen artifacts. You'll finish by verifying display settings. Set the recommended resolution, check refresh rate, and reset scaling to 100% to avoid UI rendering issues. Then run Windows Update and install optional driver updates and cumulative fixes. Those patches often resolve underlying OS bugs. If glitches continue, test with a different monitor or cable to isolate hardware, and generate diagnostic logs like DXDiag and event viewer entries to share with support. One tip: try safe mode. If glitching stops there, it's almost...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.